Hey maggot heads, how you doing? Hi CIA fuckheads. Hi. YouTube. Yeah, Black Mossad, Black Cube. All your religions suck. People don't even know, but they do know. They all get in line like cattle. They go in and line up. Of course, they all serve, I know, Satan. I fucking know Dracula is. I know who Dracula is. Yeah, I know. Hey, I really appreciate you sending me that high-pitched sound just like 5 minutes ago. I know that it was coming from you, military fuckheads. Swissy. Faggots. Lizards. I know it's coming from you guys. See, it's not this light down at the bottom. It's the one up that's up. Right here. This one. That's the CIA. Everything. This is a house down here. This is ground level, but up here at the very top, that's the CIA. That's Homeland Security come by the Bush family. The cabal. The lizards that run the planet. Swissy. The Red House and the White House. Swiss Templars. So did you guys like go to Mars today or something? What was on your agenda? Huh? Yeah, I know who you guys are. You're all fucking lizard fucks. Song and dance hasn't changed. It's the same tune with you guys. Plus, I don't appreciate your microwave hearing. Buckheads. I know, my mommy sold me out to you guys, you little illuminated ones, right? She's a witch. A mother who sells her child down the river is a massive witch. And you see, you won't hear this from anybody else, but oh yeah, you better believe it. There are parents out there that will sell their children out to the 33-degree reptilian, Jesus Christ, Jewish crap on this planet. Because the Star of David is actually a pentagram. Uh-huh. Bad, bad Jews. Yes, you are. Very evil. You're reptilian in nature. Copper-based DNA. I know who your boss is. He goes to his own rallies, doesn't he? Goes to his own, Antifa, gun events. I know who Swissy Boy is. I know who Michael is. You don't fool me. Michael is Dracula. The draconian god, right? So you guys decided to show up. Look at this shit. What a fucking relationship, right? Motherfuckers. Told you. I'm the one bitch that's going up against you. I'm probably the only bitch that's going up against you. By the way, I want your implant out. You hear me? I want your fucking implant out. That you did space-based surgery with. Yeah. Oh, and their harp clouds. It's all... Pfft. Yeah. An angel in his harp. Earth is third-dimensional hell. This is where Lucifer got kicked out of heaven. And believe me, people, he deserved to get kicked out. Swissy boy, what you doing? Just sitting there in space, staring. That's what you do. Mm-hmm. You don't have anything else better to do? You don't have, like, bother Kim Kardashian and all them? Oh, that's right. They sold out. You've already got them brain linked. They're already part of the club. Right, Swissy? Mm-hmm. So I'm all giving you an education on the military-industrial complex and the higher echelon stuff. What really governs this planet. I got a few videos I haven't even uploaded yet. I have a good one for y'all. Like I said, I went to the store today and there's this Muslim chick, or a wannabe Muslim, I don't know. And we were talking and she goes, "Oh, I'm sorry I'm taking up so much time." I go, "Doesn't matter to me, I'm stuck on the prison planet just like you. Take your time." And then she started, yeah, and then blah, blah, blah. And then she, like, did her little secret code about how people on death row are free or some shit. Well, if Swissy Boy wants me dead, you know, you have your chance, like, every fucking second to do it. Like I said, I don't give a shit if you kill me. Go for it. Go ahead, make my day. Yeah, there you go. Excellent. Good move. Go ahead and make my day, Swissy Boy. Come on, military fucks. Lizards, lizards, lizards. Dracula, Dracula, Draconians. Orion. I see you. Swissy. Is that your portal? You come by to say hi? Come on, man. Why don't you whip out your tail? Whoosh! Dragon. Come on. Where's your teeth? Come on, let me see your teeth, man. Come on, Dracula. Whip out your teeth. Come on. You don't want me here. Well, why don't you do something about it? You know exactly who I am. You know who I am, homeboy. Yeah. Come on. You know I got the memo. And guess where the memo's going? Can you make a guess? Guess who I'm going to report to? Straight up. You know it, Swissy. I go straight to the top. Well, how'd it go down there in heaven? Or earth? Hell. Well, let's see. He's got everybody, you know, wrapped around his claw. He's got all these religions. He uses chemtrails and synthetic telepathy to brainwash everybody that, you know, he's a cool cat. But it's okay, you know, you got, 30,000 children that go missing every month, and, money laundering, kidnapping, gang stalking, attempted murder, interferes and spies on your life. You can't get a promotion because you got your military buddies. Military buddies are number one. Oh, and not only that, if you give someone a good blowjob, you might get a promotion. They got the whole solar system ready to roll out. Yeah, Michael's, using directed energy weapons, slash and burn, on people and property and things. It's a typical Michael. And I told Michael that was my last rodeo and I'm never, ever, ever coming down here again. So. Oh, and by the way, I think Michael's like trying to cut his way up through the dimensions to get your throne. That's a big one. That's something that the creator needs to know. He's cutting through dimensions. And he's using humanity to get to that throne. So everybody down on Earth was his bitch. I know. Like I said, it was a heavy war. He did warn God, the very thing you love, I will corrupt. And guess what? Michael did just that. He corrupted every motherfucking person. Except me. I'm not a sellout like the rest. And he has this little AI system where he has his drug cartel crew. Yeah, they implant you in the fucking eye. And then, like, you have these cops, right? You got the cops who pretend to be good guys, but really they're paid off and they work for the cartel. Yeah, man, there's like these drugs and shit. They come into the country. And they use interferometry to spy on everybody. So the cops do this whole big thing where they bust all these drugs. But you know what? They already know that the drugs are coming through because they use interferometry. It's a joke, people. Interferometry cuts through the buildings and the mountains and cars. It's NSA spying. But you see, Michael has all like these agencies. They're all in bed with one another. Then they did this thing called the Patriot Act, where they want to take individual rights and shit. So basically you're just a robot. Slave. And they use the AI for human trafficking. And like I said, human trafficking and drugs are a big, big, big deal for them. And like I said, this is my last rodeo on this planet. I'd rather fly off into the universe. Yeah, they got this implant they put in me, so like everybody knows my thoughts and my emotions and how I feel. It's called behavior modification. Yeah, because if you don't think the certain way like they think, they send their minions after you. And if they don't get you during the day, they'll get you at night through DARPA technology, where they do dream manipulation. And that's where the witches and the warlocks, they like get your DNA and stuff. And like they send evil frequencies to you while you try to sleep at night. Lovely, isn't it? Yeah. So this is the CIA and GCHQ, CIA, FBI, Homeland Security, M15, M16, M17 tied to the Vatican. So this is them. They're up here on top. Like I said, it's not this one down here at the bottom. It's like this one right here. That's the CIA. So those are the maggots that are watching you, spying on you, and determining your life. I wonder what my credit scores means. My social score. Alright, later.